In any country where democracy is there, people would love to have a democratically elected government. But as you know, president's rule is an emergency provision. Whenever there is problem, there is a provision to impose and enforce president's rule in any state in the Union of India. So as for last almost 7-8 months, the violence and the conflict, the crimes have not gone down. The central leadership would have applied their wisdom in the interest of bringing back the peace and normalcy in the state of Manipur. So they have imposed president's rule. I think, as everyone is saying, and the public also wants a popular government, and all the elected members also are still waiting for a popular government, eagerly waiting. And I think central leadership also would like to have a democratic government, popular government. So I think in near future we expect that the wishes of the public and elected member, the people of Manipur, will definitely be fulfilled.
Talking about this festival,
yes,
we were expecting a lot more visitors from the Delhi as well, but there was some problem in the Delhi because of some issues, right? What kind of message would you like to give, taking this advantage?
No, I think the situation in Manipur is not normal, it's abnormal. So during abnormal time, something abnormal we have to expect something abnormal will happen. So I think that issue has been sorted out. That is why 7 of us, led by the Honorable Speaker, had come, and we thought we regard and we thought that the festival, the event is very, very important, very, very dear to people of Manipur and people of Delhi. See, for last almost 2 years, we have not been able to move out from the Delhi area, and this event has brought us to this place. We have been allowed to move out from Delhi, and it will play a very important role in connecting people of the hill and people of the Delhi. You have seen during this the celebration that a lot of interaction have taken place, a lot of things have taken place. So we expect more things to happen with this festival as a first step in bringing peace and normalcy, in connecting. And we would request our brothers, Naga brothers, to play a more important role in resolving the issue which is presently happening in the state of Manipur. It is my earnest request from on behalf of all the MLAs who have come today, and also on behalf of the people of the Delhi.